الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم. Hello.
عليكم السلام.
معايا يا شباب. All right, let's start with this question quickly. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, read the question and answer it. What's the answer for A? Hello?
Combination.
Combination. How about B?
Combustion.
Combustion, yes. How about C?
Decomposition.
Decomposition.
Clear يا شباب? Any problem with this thing? Good. Let's hope so. These are the answers. Good. All right. Read this question and answer it. To start with, since I give you the mass of nickel and the mass of CO, what does that mean?
The mass of the reactant.
Yes. If I give you the mass of every reactant, this means there must be what?
Limiting reactant.
Limiting reactant. And that's why we need to know which one is the limiting reactant. How can we tell that? How many moles of nickel? We have to write the reaction nickel plus 4CO to give you nickel carbonyl. Okay, how many moles of nickel do we have? How many moles of nickel do you have in this reaction?
1.
No. Oh yeah, well, in the equation, but what the numbers, change this to mole. How many moles of nickel? What should you do?
Divide by the molar mass.
Exactly. Go ahead, use it. Give me the answer. Give me the answer.
0.85.
0.85.
0.8. Give me more numbers. 0.585 what?
852.
852. Good. At least 3 numbers. Give me. Good. Okay. How about how many moles of CO do we have? Divide this by what?
We have 2.794, 2.795.
795. Who got the same number? Okay. If we have
Yes.
this is the moles of nickel, mole, nickel. This is mole CO2. Which one is the limiting reactant?
Nickel.
No, wrong. CO is the limiting.
carbon side.
Why?
Divide by 4.
Exactly. If you divide this by 4, what are you going to have? This means this is the limiting reactant, limiting. And how many moles of nickel needed? This is what we have. How many moles we need? What's the answer? Hello?
0.7.
6. Give me more numbers. Don't give me just 7. 0.6 what?
0.698.
I have 9 even. Somebody 9.8. Good. This is what we need. This means how many will be extra, excess? How many moles excess?
Just subtract them.
Give me the answer.
0.154.
I agree. Next, how many moles of nickel carbonyl I'm going to make?
0.698.
Exactly 0.698 will be formed. Okay, why? Because this is 1:1. This means if I have 0.698, this will give me 0.698. And how many grams is this? This is mole. Change this to gram. Give me answer.
14.965.
14.
40, not 14. 40.
This number is like fine.
Multiply by atomic mass, mu.
Yeah, but what mass? Nickel CO4.
Oh, okay.
$119.
S 119.2. What? 119.2. What?
0.14.
Gram nickel CO4. Good. How many grams of nickel extra? How many grams of nickel excess? What are you going to do?
Convert it to gram.
What? Convert what to gram?
0.154.
Exactly. Because here, how much of the other reactant remain when the reaction is complete? This means you change this from mole to gram. What's the answer?
7.704.
What?
7.704.
Who got the same answer? You got the same answer? Anybody got the same answer?
I got 9.
Oh, something wrong.
9.038.
What again?
9.038.
Something. Yes. Somebody got what now? 9 point?
038.
8 gram. Is this true? Who got the same answer?
Yes, it's true.
Very good. Let's hope so. I hope you got the same answers. Good. Let's go to the next question. Read the question and solve it quickly. Okay, what's given to you here? What's this?
The theoretical yield.
Oh, read it. 42.5 what?
Percent of ethylene.
Yeah, but what's the 42.5%? What does it mean?
Percent by mass.
Percent yield, exactly. So the percent yield is 42.5. What's the percent yield equal to?
Actual over
Theoretical.
Actual over
theoretical. 100.
theoretical
Multiplied by 100.
times 100, exactly. What information do you have in this question?
The mass used.
You read this one. So what's this 481?
The theoretical.
No.
The mass
You-
for the ethylene.
Yeah, but I want, is this theoretical or actual?
Oh no, actual.
Actual, yes.
Actual,
This
sorry.
one, because I want to produce production, this means I want to make it in the lab. This means this is actually actual. So this is equal to 481 divided by theoretical, which I don't know, times 100. So what's the theoretical yield? Give me an answer.
Doctor, I got a big number.
What is it?
1,131.76.
Exactly. Exactly.
Should we divide it by 100?
No, it's already. This is just calculate this one. Multiply theoretical times 42.5 equal to 4,810 or even 48,100, and then divide by 42 and you got 1,131.676 exactly. Now, in order to do any calculation, you must do it with theoretical, not with actual. Clear, ya shabab? And that's why now, how much hexane do I need? If I have here 1131.76 gram of this one, theoretical yield, then how many grams of C6H14 do I need? What are you going to do? Divide this number by what?
Molar mass.
Molar mass of what? Molar mass of what?
Ethylene.
Huh?
I think for ethylene.
Or ethylene C4H, C2H4. Calculate, give me the number of moles. Quickly.
40.42.
40.42
4-2.
mole. Who got the same answer?
I got 0.35.
40.35.
Yes.
Yes.
So 2 says that's okay. Since this small mistake, no problem. I can maybe you did not. The first one did not use 0.01 and so on. 40.35.
Yes.
Okay, good. We have many answers. That's good. But even the first one is okay, even though he's slightly wrong. Okay, good. How many moles of C6H14 do I need to make 40.35 mole of C2H4?
40.35.
Exactly, same, because it's 1-to-1. This means how many grams is this one? Quickly.
Also the same.
Right?
The same.
Same of what?
The same of the 1,100.
Wrong.
Why? It's the same amount of moles.
Right, mole, but this one is C2H4, this one is C6H14.
Oh, okay.
3,477.
Yes. Somebody says 3,000.
477.
Exactly. 3,477 is the correct answer. Who got the same answer?
Yes, it's correct.
Who got also? Anybody else?
Correct.
Okay, I hope so. Good. And this is the answer, right? It's 3,477. Yes.
معليش بس المحاضرة مسجلة صح؟
إن شاء الله. نعم.
إيه تمام.
Good. Okay. Answer this question. Read it quickly. The compound consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The total mass is 0.6943 gram of terephthalic acid, gave 1.471 gram CO2 and 0.226 gram H2O. What's the empirical formula? Can we do that? What should you do to solve this problem? First thing, put C, and then H, and then O, because we have carbon, which is C, hydrogen, which is H, and oxygen, which is O. I have the three. Good. How can I find the mass of carbon only? Now this is the mass of carbon only. How can you find it? Give me the answer for the mass of carbon.
I think we have to multiply 1.471 times the atomic mass of carbon
Right.
over the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. That's right.
Exactly. Perfect answer. Give me a number now. Yes, what you said is perfectly correct.
Yeah.
0.401.
0.4. What? 0.1. I have even 4. Give me more numbers. Give me 4 numbers like this. 0.4014. Good. Okay. How about for hydrogen? How can I get it from this number? Give me the answer for how many grams of hydrogen.
Uh, 0.028.
No, that's not wrong. That's not right. 0.02.
That's what I mean. Yeah.
أيوة بعدين
3.
2.8 even. I have this number. 0.02528. Who got the same answer?
I got the same answer.
Yeah. I got
Yes,
the same answer. Yeah.
Okay, good. How can I find the mass of oxygen? I have to subtract it from the total mass. This is the total mass. Now I have the mass of carbon. I have the mass of hydrogen. How can I find the mass of oxygen?
We subtract the total mass
What?
of the compound
Yes.
by the sum of the mass of carbon
Exactly.
and
Give me answer. Give me
the
answer.
hydrogen.
Exactly.
okay.
Give me the answer, please.
Okay. I will calculate that.
Good. Quickly.
0.267.
2, 6, 7. I need
Six.
more number. What?
62.
Exactly. 6 gram. I want 4 numbers always. 4 numbers. Good. Gram. Oh, good. What's the next step we're going to do?
We divide the smallest number. All
Yeah?
of them by the smallest number.
No, first change to mole.
Oh, no. Oh, okay. Change to mole. Yeah. I forgot.
Yes. What's the answer here? Quickly. I need an answer.
0.0334.
Or give me 4 number.
2.
Exactly. Mole. Good. Okay, hydrogen. How many moles? Yes.
0.0250.
250.
7.
7.
7 or 8. I have 8 actually, but 7 is okay. Very good. Mole. Good. And then last one, oxygen. Come on.
0.016. 725. 72.
7, 2. Good. Mole. Now you divide by which one is the smallest number?
The oxygen.
So divide by this number. This will be 1. What will be the answer? The number here. What's the carbon? Come on.
Calculate for the hydrogen. 1.499.
Which is 1.5.
1.5, yes.
How about carbon?
1.998.
Which is 2. So we don't like fractions. So what's the make it whole number? What should we do?
Multiply by 2.
Which is will make oxygen what? 2. And then hydrogen
2. 3.
3. And then carbon
4.
4. What's the formula then?
C H3O2.
C4 H what?
3.
CO2. Good. Let's hope so. Quickly answer this question. But do you have the information that you have? Is this thing? This is 68 gram S8. What should you do to calculate the amount of FES?
Convert it to moles.
Give me the answer. Hello?
0.2656.
2651 I have. You have 56? I have it 1.
Yes.
Mole. Good. How can I change this to mole of FeS? What's the answer?
Multiply by 8.
Exactly. What's the answer?
Uh, 2.120.
Have it even this one. Good. Mole. How can you change this to gram?
Times by the molar mass of FeS.
Go ahead. Give me answer. I need that final answer.
One eight six
186.
0.425.
Who got the same answer?
Yes, I got the same answer.
Okay, good. I hope so. Good. All right, let's hope so. Let's go to this question. Balance the equation quickly. Just balance the equation. What should I put here? Beside the aluminum, what should I put here? Hello?
4.
4, exactly. What should I put here?
Three.
3. What should I put here?
Nothing.
1.
1.
Yeah, and what should I put here?
12.
12.
Oh, that's it. Good. I hope you can do it and it's easy. Very good. And it is. Now we're done. Then I'm going to
Doctor,
go
I'm sorry.
إيش؟
How I remember you told us technique for what element we should start with.
Yes. That's why I said first thing was aluminum. I have 4 here. I put 4 here so that I have 4 aluminum. Carbon.
Okay.
I have 3 here and I put 3 here. I have 3 carbon. Done. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Now, next after that, I put 1 here. Next, what's the next element? Let's say hydrogen. 4 times 3, because I have 3 here. How many hydrogen this side? This side?
12.
12. And this side, 3 times 4?
12.
12. 12 plus 12? 24. H2O, I have H2, I multiply by 12 to make it 24.
Yes, okay. It's clear.
And how many oxygen? 12. So everything is okay. It's all balanced. Good. All right. Let's solve the first problem. This is the homework problem that we gave you, and you're supposed to submit it by Sunday. Quickly tell me what's the answer for the first one. It should be very easy, extremely easy. I need an answer from everybody without, just give me the final answer. quickly. Hello?
193.046.
Okay, somebody got 193. Who got the same answer?
Yes, I got it.
Yes.
B.
So the answer is B. You all agree?
Yes.
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 Good.
Yes, yes.
Next, question 2. Barium perchlorate. What's barium perchlorate? What's the formula?
BR.
B, not BR. No.
No, BA. Sorry, BA.
Yes.
CL.
Cl.
4.
O4.
O4.
Of them 2.
I think 2. Yeah, one of them 2.
All what?
All of
All
them 2.
Exactly. Yes, that's the formula. That's why I say it's important to know the charges and everything. Good. Now, what's the percent oxygen in the compound? Percent of oxygen only. How many oxygens do you have?
8.
8 oxygen. Calculate the percentage of oxygen in the whole compound. Go ahead. I need final answer.
$38.
Somebody says 38 what? 0.1?
Yes.
So this is the answer? Yes, maybe. I don't know. I really don't know what's the answer, by the way. So what are you supposed to do? You multiply 8 times 16, which is the mass of oxygen, divide by the total mass. What's the total mass? Did you find it? مين حسب total mass?
I got 336.
Maybe, I don't know. Who got the same answer? Okay.
Yes,
I hope.
right.
Okay,
Yes.
good.
38.1%.
Okay. Now solve this question number 3. Then the compound is ammonium phosphate. You have to know what's ammonium phosphate. What's ammonium phosphate?
NH, all of them 3.
H. No, NH. What?
4.
NH4. All of them 3, exactly. Then
PO4.
3,
O3. PO3.
O, 3. PO, what?
PO4. PO4.
Ah, that's correct. Okay, if I have 0.13 mole, how many grams do I have? Give me an answer بسرعة. Hello?
25.088.
25?
Uh, 27.28.
Maybe. Who got
Yes.
27.28?
Yes, 27.28. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, let's hope so. I really don't know. By the way, I'm just taking your word.
Yes, D, Doctor.
Yes,
Okay,
with approximation, it will be 27.3. Yes.
Good. Okay, solve problem number 4. The density of water is 1 gram per milliliter. If I have 6.25 milliliter, how many grams is this?
6.25.
Exactly. So the mass is 6.25. gram H2O because the density is 1, right?
Because
Good.
we to find mass, we multiply the density times the volume.
Exactly. That's why we're doing. How many water molecules are present in this gram? So how many molecules? How can you find the number of molecules? What you should do first?
Convert to moles.
Exactly. Go give me the answer for moles. How many moles is this?
0.3469.
What is it again? Somebody said what?
0.347.
4, 3, 4, 7. Who got the same answer?
Yes.
Mole. Now, how can you change it to how many molecules?
Multiply it by Avogadro number.
Exactly. Give me the final answer.
Uh, 2.09 multiplied by 10 to the power of 23.
Who got the same answer?
.09 times 10 to the power of 23.
Good. Let's go to 5. We already did. 6. We already did, because these are the same questions that I gave you. It's available in your case. 7. Mass percent of carbon, 76. For hydrogen is 12.8%, and for oxygen is 11.2%. And the molar mass is 284.5. What's the molecular formula? If I give you the percentage, what can you calculate?
The mass.
Yeah, but you can calculate what? The empirical formula. Okay? So you have carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. What's the mass for carbon?
76 gram.
76.0 gram. How about hydrogen?
12.8.
How about oxygen?
11.2.
Good. Change this to mole quickly. And give me the answer at least in 3 numbers after the zeros.
And carbon, I think 0.267.
Mole?
Yeah.
خطأ.
Oh, no. We multiply, sorry.
No, you divide by
6.328.
6 point what?
328.
328. Very good. How about hydrogen? Quickly.
12.698.
69?
698, yes.
698. Good, mole. Good. How about oxygen?
0.7.
0. Give me more
Yeah.
numbers.
That's it.
700.
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, good. All right, I will put 700. I want 3 significant figures. Good, at least. Good. What's next? Divide by what?
Divide by the smallest.
Smallest number.
Actually, divide by 0.700. What's the answer? This is 1. That's what will this going to be?
$9.04.
Hydrogen will be 9. 12 divided by 0.7, impossible.
Carbon.
Carbon, 12 what?
9.04.
9.0?
4.
04, so I consider to be 9, because I don't want whatever after 9.04. How about hydrogen?
It will be 18.
18. Good. What's the empirical formula then?
C9 H18.
18 O1. What's the mass of the empirical formula? Come on.
142.23.
42 point what?
234.
234. Good. Excellent. The real mass is 284 of the molecular compound. So what's the molecular compound? You divide this number by 142.234, and what's the answer?
2.
2. This means what are you going to do with the mass, the molecular mass, the molecular compound?
Multiply it by 2. All of the formula. All
So
of the.
the answer. Which one is the answer?
E.
Exactly. All right. Okay, let's solve 10 first because there is no time. I think I'll do 10 and then I will leave 9. I don't know. But okay, here we are having 4NH3 plus 5O2 to give you 4NO plus 6H2O. I have 15 grams of this one, 15 grams of this one. Which one is the limiting reactant? Can you tell from the gram? No. What should you do first? First thing you should do.
Convert to moles.
Convert to mole. Okay, give me how many moles is this one?
.8805.
0.8805. Very good. How about oxygen?
Uh, 0.46875.
46875.
Yes.
88. I hope you got the same answer. Now, from looking at the moles, which one is the limiting reactant?
O2.
Who is the limiting reactant? Definitely. How many moles of NH3 do I need? So this is the limiting. How many moles do I need from nitrogen, from NH3, ammonia? What should you do to calculate how many moles? You should divide this number by what? 0.4688 divide by what?
By 4.
By 5 and multiply by 4. You divide this number by 5 and multiply by 4. So what's the answer?
Uh, 0.375.
0.375 mole. Who got the same answer? I multiply by 4 and divide by 5 because of this thing. So I took this number, multiply by 4 and divide by 5 to get this number. Now, how many moles of NO I'm going to produce? Here, this is 4 to 4. So I will produce the same amount of the limiting reactant, which is 0.375 mole. This means how many grams this is?
دكتور ليش ما قلنا 0.8805 لأن the same moles.
بس هذا limiting. ما نعمل حسابات الكالكوليشن على limiting، مو على هذا excess. هذا rest. The difference between these two is excess will not be used.
Okay.
Okay, how many grams is 0.375 NO?
11.2526.
11.2526.
Yes.
Okay, what's this called now? This is the theoretical yield. What did we get? We got 8.7 gram of nitric oxide. What's this 8.7?
The actual?
Actual or experimental, exactly. So what's the percent yield?
77.315.
Divide 8.7, divide by 11.2526 times 100, which is what? What's the answer?
77.
Who got the same answer?
I got the same answer.
Are you sure?
Yes.
دكتور بس عندي سؤال.
Yes.
ليش قسمنا على 5 قسمنا على 5 وضربنا في 4 اللي هي 0.4688؟
لأنه هذه الخمسة وهذه الأربعة. احنا مو قلنا أي تفاعل إذا كان A plus 5B. Then if I want to know A, how many do I have?
Dividing the moles of B over 5.
Exactly. But if I have 4 here, what should I do? Divide by 5 and
multiplied by 4 صح. Okay.
صح.
صح.
Okay. And with this we finish the class today. Go to attendance. The password for attendance CF4. يلا يا شباب روح بسرعة على attendance. With this we're going to finish the class today.
CH4 دكتور.
CF4.